Palakpakan natin si Cesar of the Red Team. Taiho! No, Taiho! Was it Tai?
In the beginning, there was Cesar.
He used to be Franco.
There's a song that's inside of my soul. It's the one that I've tried to write over and over again. So I lay my head back down.
Oh, Cesar!
And I lift my head and pray to be only yours. I pray to be only yours. I know now you're my only hope.
Don't fight it.
I'll give you my destiny.
Go for it.
I'm giving you all of me. I want your sympathy, singing all that I am.
Sing it, baby.
At the top of my lungs, I'm giving it back.
Break them in half now.
So I lay my head back down, and I lift my head and pray to be only yours. I pray to be only yours. I pray to be only yours. I know
The knee.
you're my only
From the Red Team. Unbelievable. Maximum of 6 points ang pwede nyo makuha for this round. So let's hear it from the judges. Judges, listening.
Medyo mahirap pagkumpara yung performance nila kasi magkaiba ng tipo ng kanta. Like, ang taas ng energy ni Franco, sobrang taas talaga ng energy. And then kay Cesar naman, sobrang in-admire ko sa'yo, na-hit mo yung notes kahit na ini-stretch ka at sobrang mataas din talaga yung kanta. Sobrang, ang hirap nun. At the top of my lungs. Tapos real voice yung gamit mo, hindi mix. Sobrang hirap kaya I think yung 2 points will goes to Red Team.
Red Team. But you did a good job. Excellent job.
Robert! Ikaw naman, Robert! Nagtataka ako, isa lang naman ang nagmasahe sa inyo, pero magkakaiba yung reaction. So, yan, like to si Franco, hindi ko alam kung anong nahawakan sa kanya. Hoy! Si Cesar naman, only hope!
Yes.
Diba? Pero Cesar, alam mo,
Different
palagay ko,
massage,
ikaw pwede magtayo ng Cesar's Only Hope Spa.
And music school.
Kaya ang pipiliin ko, Red Team.
The Red Team. 2 points.
Jimmy! Ito na naman.
Talagang nahirapan ako dito kasi grabe yung energy ni Franco. Pataas ng pataas, tapos nung humiga ka, tumaas pa lalo. So, bilib na bilib ako sa ginawa mo. Si Cesar naman, talagang yung vocal quality mo hindi nagbago. Ngayon, ang pipiliin ko na lang, I think, is someone, the one who sang better. Kay Cesar muna of the Red Team.
Okay.
Sorry, Franco. Galing mo, galing mo.
And now the scores. For this round, Red Team gets 6 points. Blue Team gets no points. Overall standings, Red Team has 7 points. Blue Team has 2 points. Pero